Bazooka. This toy bazooka is based on a water rocket technology. The design consists of standard parts that can be bought at a hardware store and a trigger with a built-in valve. Water rocket's club R-type trigger. To prepare for the shot, you need to pour water into the bottle. Insert the bottle into the trunk of the bazooka and fix the neck of the bottle in the trigger. After this, it is necessary to pump air into the bottle projectile using a pump. Bazooka is ready to shoot.
Link to launchers, Water Rockets Club, in the description of the video. Write comment, ask questions. Thanks for watching.